This account has only 23 videos, all generated by AI, and the video that got 5 million views made over $131,000 in revenue in just 30 days. How do they do it? In this video, I will show you how to create such videos in a minute using AI tools, how to achieve such a result, and how you can replicate it on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram. The best part is that you don't need any followers to start making money with this strategy. I will create a brand new account and start promoting a product, and if you follow the method that I will show you in this video, you'll be able to achieve great results quickly. Here is an example of a top-selling product in the dental niche. The commission you receive if one person buys this product is $154. Let's say you create 20 videos with AI and one of your videos goes viral and hits 1 million views. If only 1 out of 1,000 people who watched the video bought the product, that is 1,000 people. And if the commission is $154 per sale, you'll make $154,000 from one single video. That's the kind of exposure that can transform your earnings, and of course, it won't happen overnight. You need to create multiple videos to reach that goal. To go viral with these videos, you need high-quality images, great editing, and top-selling products. But don't worry, this AI tool will do all the work for you. Let's get started. First, I'll go to namelix.com and type in a keyword related to my niche. I want a brandable name. Namelix will generate short, catchy names. I'll pick one of them. Next, I'll go to Bing AI, click on Copilot at the top of the page, and give it a prompt. Create an image for my TikTok account about health and wellness. Click on the one you like and download it. Next, I'll go to clickbank.com. Start here to create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard. On the left menu, click on Affiliate Marketplace. Here you'll see all the categories. I'll select the health category. By default, it's sorted by top-selling products. I'll select this offer. You can earn $152 in commission with just one sale. We're going to create a video using AI to sell this product. If I click on it, it'll take me to the sales page. The first step in generating our AI video is to create the script. I'll go to the product page, I'll copy the list of the ingredients used in the product and paste them into a Google Doc. Also, copy the benefits of the products. Now that I have the product information, I'll go to ChatGPT and give it the following prompt. I want you to create a script for a video promoting a product called ProvaDent. Start the script with a strong hook, body, and a call to action. I'll give you the ingredients and the benefits of the ProvaDent, and use them to create the script. The video should be about 1 minute, so make sure the script won't exceed 200 words. The script is ready. Now to create the video, I'll be using AutoShorts AI. It's a powerful AI tool that this account uses to create their videos. I have a detailed tutorial on how to use AutoShorts for various niches. To get started, use the link in the description. If you decide to upgrade to a paid plan, make sure to use the 20% discount code below the video. Once you've created your account, you'll see this interface. First, you need to create a series. Just click on Create and then pick a destination. This simply means where you want your video series to be posted. The next step is choosing your niche. My product is in the health niche, so I'll select Custom. Next, I need to enter the prompt. We'll go to ChatGPT, copy the script we created earlier, and paste it here. Next, I'll select a voice. You can listen to them and pick the one that resonates more with your niche. Next, I'll select the style of the imagery. This is a new feature that gives you multiple art styles. For our example, I'll choose the realistic style. Next, you need to select the languages. There are so many languages available. For this tutorial, I'll stick with English. Next, you'll select the video duration. Do you want it to be less than a minute or longer than a minute? Lastly, would you like background music? You can easily turn it on or off. Finally, in the last step, you just need to click on Create Series, and AutoShorts starts creating your video within a minute. Once your video is finished rendering, you can completely customize it. You can edit the title, script, captions, and even the background music. The video is ready. The image that you see is our thumbnail. I can change the text on the thumbnail. I want to change it to "How to Get a Beautiful Smile." If I hit Update the Video, it will edit the thumbnail. But before we update the video, let's watch it. We may want to change some of the images as well.
ProvaDent is a revolutionary oral care solution designed to elevate your dental hygiene to new heights. What sets ProvaDent apart is its unique blend of nutrient-rich ingredients. At its core is purple carrot powder, known for its rich antioxidant properties that help combat free radicals, promoting oral health and fresh breath. Additionally, organic xylitol plays a crucial role in supporting a balanced oral microbiome.
All right, the video is great. It's more than a minute. I just played 30 seconds of it. You may want to change the voice, clone your voice, or use a different voice. You can customize all the elements. I'll click on Image Editor to edit the images. The first image is our thumbnail. I can change it. If I hover over every image, you'll see the text associated with the image. I can just read it and replace the image with my own image. I'll go to the sales page, take a couple of screenshots of the product, and save them. Next, I'll go to Bing AI and ask Copilot to create images of bacteria. I'll select one of them and download it. Next, I ask to create an image of cranberry extract and an image of purple carrots. AutoShorts already created these images for me, but I want to make the video more engaging by adding more images. Next, I'll go back to AutoShorts and click on Edit Images. As you can see, the images AutoShorts created are already high quality and match the script. I'll select the image I want to change and upload my images. I'll add the product image throughout the video. When I am done, I'll hit Update Video. The video starts rendering. If you've edited videos before, you know how time-consuming it can be. By using this AI tool, you're going to save a lot of time and money for video editing. The video is ready. You can see the text on the thumbnail is changed. Let's watch it.
ProvaDent is a revolutionary oral care solution designed to elevate your dental hygiene to new heights. What sets ProvaDent apart is its unique blend of nutrient-rich ingredients. At its core is purple carrot powder, known for its rich antioxidant properties that help combat free radicals, promoting oral health and fresh breath, effectively reducing harmful bacteria while encouraging the growth of beneficial ones. This balance is essential for preventing cavities and maintaining overall gum health. ProvaDent also includes cranberry extract, which is renowned for its natural ability to boost gum health and prevent plaque buildup. To top it off, ProvaDent features 4 strains of probiotics specifically chosen to enhance oral wellness. These probiotics can help restore the natural flora in your mouth, further protecting against dental issues. With consistent use of ProvaDent, you can expect noticeable improvements in your oral hygiene within just 1 week. Experience the transformation as you enjoy fresh breath, healthier gums, and a more radiant smile. ProvaDent is truly your key to optimal oral health, ensuring you feel confident every day.
I think it looks great. Now, if I want to add background music, I can do it here. I can schedule it when I want it to be posted to my account. If I scroll down, there are other elements of the video that I can edit. If you're interested to learn more about these features, you may want to go and watch the full tutorial on my channel. Now, how do you make money with it? First, we must return to ClickBank and get our affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, click on the Promote button. Choose your affiliate nickname, the one you created when you signed up, and hit Continue. Here you'll see your affiliate link. Go to t.ly and paste the link. It's going to shorten our affiliate link. This is the link we want to use later. It's very short and simple. Now, to make sure it's working, I'll just copy it in my browser. As you can see, it's the same sales page. So it's working properly. I'll save the link in a Google Doc as I will need it for later. Now that you have the affiliate link, you can place it in your bio or pin it in the comments section and tell people if they want to learn more about the product, they can click on the link. They will get redirected to the sales page, and if they buy, you'll receive a commission. Thanks for sticking around for the whole tutorial. If you found this helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you gave the video a thumbs up. Jump in and try this out yourself. Click on the link in the description below to start creating your short videos and see what you can come up with. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Until then, take care.